When is the right time to restring your stretch bracelets? My name is Sheila Satin, and I'm the jewelry designer here at the Satin Crystals boutique. And today I want to show you this bracelet, which literally just fell apart 1 minute ago when I was about to show you on video. But my client brought this bracelet back to me after a year of wearing it. And as you can see, it was literally hanging by a thread and it just broke totally. I was really surprised that it was still hanging by a thread because he wore it every single day for 1 year. So whatever he was doing, sleeping, exercising, showering, and calcite beads, they do not do well in water. And as you can see, they have all chipped and are wearing away. Even so, the thread is really surprising that it's still standing. But you can see it's all frayed and the elasticity is gone. So I told him it's not worth restringing. I traded it for a fresh new bracelet so that I could show you what happens after 1 year of wearing a stretch bracelet. So do not let it get to this point. Your stretch bracelets should be restrung anytime they're losing any elasticity. So as you can see, these are nice and fresh and still firm and bouncy. Or if you see any fraying, because the cords that we use are consisting of tiny little stretch cords that are woven together. So if one frays, the whole thing is in danger of falling apart. So if it's fraying or if it's losing its elasticity, you want to get it restrung right away. So don't get to this point. So to get your bracelet restrung, if you know how to do it yourself, go ahead and do that. If you have a friend or a shop nearby, you can have them restring it. If you don't have anybody nearby, you can send it into Satin Crystals. We do have a restringing service, so we can do that for you for a fee. However, if you are part of the Satin Crystals VIP club, we restring for free for the lifetime of the bracelets that you buy from us. So this is definitely the best deal out there. Make sure to join the VIP club, which is also free to join. I want to give you 3 tips on how to prolong your stretch bracelets. So although nobody has invented unbreakable stretch cord yet, unfortunately, there are ways to prolong your bracelet's stretch. So first of all, you want to roll your bracelet on and off rather than stretching it. You don't want to overstretch, you don't want to stretch into the bracelet. You just want to roll and glide it easily so that the stretch bracelet is retaining its elasticity. Number 2, don't shower with it. The cord will break down over time in prolonged water. And number 3, keep it away from chemicals or lotions or soaps, so any kind of harsh materials that'll eventually break down the cord after a while as well. So those are 3 tips that you can keep in mind while you are wearing stretch bracelets. If you still have questions about your stretch bracelets or you want to know more about bracelets, we have a complete guide on bracelets, everything you could ever know at Satin Crystals. We also have a large selection of crystal healing stretch bracelets available for you to buy there. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals.